Hey everybody, Dale here. Welcome back to the channel. I've got a long overdue unboxing and I would like to apologize to a Mr. Mark Kratz MC. I hope I did not butcher your last name up, but he had a Veterans Appreciation giveaway, and Mark is an actual veteran himself, as his father was. And I salute both of y'all and thank you and your father for y'all's service also. I was one of the lucky 11 winners to get drawn from the random picker. And Mark really had some generous giveaways. If y'all have not gone by and looked at his channel, check him out, give him a like, a subscribe. He does a lot of outdoor cooking. The man is an excellent marksman. Excellent marksman. He is currently fixing up a Yamaha golf cart, gasoline powered golf cart. And it's gonna be pretty cool when he gets that finished. I can't wait to see it running again. He does some camping and everything else. But let me get to the opening this box. I already know what's in it, but I have not opened it yet. I wanted y'all to be here when I did it, and so I could tell Mark, thank you very much. I don't want to cut too deep into the box. First off, I got a card. It says, congratulations and thank you for your support. Good luck and best wishes, Mark. Mark, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I appreciate the support you showed me too. What I won was, wait a minute, I got some Tim Hortons double creamy and sweet Deuce creamer coffee. I got a sticker from Mark, which will be going on the wall of fame. Oh man. Also got a button and that of him on his motorcycle. And yes, he is an avid motorcyclist also. He has a very unique motorcycle, and I can't remember the name of it, but it has a sidecar on it, and it's very nice. And I also got an ink pen, whatever. And it, as always, it says, greetings from Texas. That's how he starts all his videos out. Mark, thank you very much for all the goodies. I appreciate it. But what I won, besides these, which this right here was enough in itself, tickled to death, I won a hammock, backpacking hammock, and it is a climate backpacking hammock. Sleep outside. I'm excited for this. Oh, okay, it stays, oh, it came with the straps for hooking to the tree. Right there. Oh, it also comes with the carabiners that are already hooked in. Very nice. Very, very nice. Got to be a little smarter than the carabiners, Dale. I've never slept overnight in a hammock, but I have a feeling since I'm trying to get all my stuff back together for camping, I will be. I've got to try to find some trees to put this through and look at the directions on how to get all this done. So let me say thank you, Mark, very, very much. Very excited. And I'm gonna try to find some trees to put this on, all right? Okay, everyone, I don't have two trees to do this with. So I put it around the poles here, got it hooked in. I'm not sure if this is right. I'll find out in a minute, but I figured either way it's hooked. And I got it done on both sides like that. So let's give it a try. Let's take these boots off. I don't want to get them in there. It says it's a 400-pound rating. I know, contrary to belief, I don't weigh that much. I see myself taking a few naps here now. I'm liking this. Now for the fun part, climbing out. All right, Mark, we're gonna put you right up here with some good company. Right beside Darren from Woodruff Woods and Tony from TC Outdoors. And once again, I do appreciate the awesome giveaway. I just can't wait to use it now. All right, Mark, there you go. You're up there with some pretty good company. Once again, Mark, I would like to say thank you very much for the generous gift, the drawings. The pouch does stay on the hammock, which I like that, so you're not going to lose it. I like how it just goes right back into the bag. I know as I use it more, I will get a little bit better at this. And I will be using this. I plan on going to the Pisgah Forest sometime in the very near future, where I went to school at. Easy peasy. Put my straps back in there on top. Close it all up. And that is a Climate Sleep Outsider. And it says, easy to set up nylon parachute hammock. Straps and carabiners are included. Lightweight and packs down small. 2 10-foot tree straps with 11 daisy chains each and 2 steel carabiners. Weight capacity is 400 pounds. And I know, contrary to popular belief, I don't weigh that much. Might look it, but I don't. But Mark, I just want to say thank you very much. I was very fortunate to have my name drawn for this. It is awesome. And I really do appreciate you. I enjoy your channel. So aim high, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.